Hi Alex, my name is Jeff and I'm a co-founder of Lobo Leads, and I believe you spoke to my wife Megan recently about a video to provide some tips and insight into digital marketing for AAM Roofing and Masonry. Now, since you don't have a website for your business, I wanted to send you this quick video to show you what your competition is doing and how developing a digital marketing presence can have a huge benefit for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining new customers. After digging, I was really only able to locate your Yelp page, which is very important to have, but not necessarily a customized website. As a result, you're not pulling much traffic to your business from a digital marketing angle. We know that business owners are extremely busy and you don't have time to handle all the marketing needs of your business. So we started making these videos for other small business owners to hopefully provide some additional value and show you the value in having an online digital marketing website driving customers to your business. So if you have any questions or you'd like to discuss it any further, we'd love to hop on a call to discuss it. However, either way, this video is 100% yours to keep, and hopefully it does help you in developing that aspect of your business. The three things I wanted to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Content is going to be anything on the front page of your site that Google can read, so all the text from the front page, any text within your images, and actually what your images are saved as. Now, to be considered an authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at targeting keywords like concrete contractors Houston, tile roof repair Houston, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types in those searches into Google, your name is the one that pops up. This is where a customized business website would really shine, because not only would you be able to target those keywords, you'd be able to include things like customer testimonials, link to social media pages, and pictures of your previous projects, even before and afters. Customers tend to really eat that kind of stuff up, and it helps build your credibility. So what we did is we went ahead and took a look at your top competitor, Bill Houston Concrete Construction, just to show you what a website like that would look like. Again, this is going to be all content, the videos, what those videos are saved as, images, and then you can see here they have listings of their different clients, a testimonial. That's all the kind of stuff that you'd want to be looking at, including on your website. The next thing I wanted to go over is something called backlinks. The thing with Google is that it can be like a popularity contest, because they judge you based on how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, it's very important to remember not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that's related to your industry, such as a reputable home improvement blog or a popular website that features various types of concrete pouring techniques, something that has to do with your specific industry, as opposed to a link from a local Domino's or a Macy's department store or some foreign website that has absolutely nothing to do with your website, or your business rather. And so taking a look at what we have here, we have a tool called Ahrefs, and it does data gathering and analysis for backlinks, referring domains. And as you can see here, for Houston Concrete, that's a Bill Houston website, they have 213 backlinks from 51 referring domains. So that's 51 different websites that are pointing back to Houston Concrete. And what that does is it builds the website's credibility in Google's eyes, and therefore drives more traffic that way, because it's showing up higher in the search results. So their organic traffic is 183, which is the number of people that go to their website over the past month. And so if they're able to convert some of those into actual paying customers, then that could yield a lot of potential revenue. The last thing I wanted to talk to you about is something called citations. Citations are very, very important, because if someone wants a service right now, what they do is they go to Google, They run a search for it, and they typically will pick one of the top companies that comes up, as opposed to scrolling through page after page after page of a company. They're usually going to go stick with someone on the first page. So I did that for Concrete Contractors Houston, and you'll notice that what pops up here is this map. This is called a Google Map Pack. And the goal here is to show up as one of these top 3 businesses. And how you do that is by acquiring citations. A citation is just a listing in an online directory such as White Pages, Yellow Pages, at Home Advisor, Yelp, with your name, your address, and your phone number. And so the more of those that you have, the higher you will rank in this map pack. And essentially the goal would be to match, for example, AB Concrete's here, their citations, and add a 20-30% cushion. That way you get to the top and you stay at the top, and then over time you just keep on adding more and more back citations and backlinks to stay on top of them. And usually by the time you're at the top, it's too late for them to even realize what's happened, and as long as you keep on adding those backlinks, you'll stay at the top. So that was a lot of information. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Megan for further discussion. We hope that you were able to gain something from this video, and thank you so much again for watching.